What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're doing a video cleaning the glass on the pit balls. I've had a lot of people over the years tell me, Zach, you ain't got to use chemicals to clean your glass. You can just use a razor scraper. Sounds like more work to me, but I don't know. I do like just spraying it and watching it run off. That's kind of fun. Today we're going to find out how good of a job does this do, and is it less or more work? We're also going to do a secondary experiment where I am going to clean part of this glass cold, no heat involved, just opening it up, hitting it with the razor scraper, and then we're going to warm the chamber up and see does that have much of an effect on our ability to clean it with the razor scraper. So it's going to be interesting, and it's going to be conclusive. So y'all stick around. We're going to get this thing opened up and get to clean on it right now. Okay, so I've done several cooks on this thing. As you can see, dirtying the glass up, just so that for this video purpose, I would have a dirty glass to clean. Make it work pretty good. This is just a regular razor scraper. There's lots of different kinds. I'm not gonna get into that because I know y'all know that. But let's just see what it does. It's kind of cold outside today, so this is gonna be a little bit gummier than normal. I might need to get a bucket or something. FYI, if you've got your good shoes on, this stuff's gonna get on your shoes. But may wanna get some not good shoes. But you can see this stuff's coming off pretty easily. Actually not bad at all. Okay, so that was extremely easy and nothing really needed to get it done. We are going to heat it up just to see the difference, but a little sweep job around the bottom of the glass if that's what you want to do, and that's pretty much all you wrote for that business right there. Let's heat it up, see if there's a difference. This is the first cook since I've done my wet pellet video the other day. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I just saw could I burn all of my wet pellets out of my smoker and just would it clog on my auger or not. The results were sort of surprising, so y'all make sure to check that video out. But we got some pellets in there now. Let's fire it up. We'll just get it up to about 250. Let's get her closed up to heat. Okay, so that took about 15 minutes, got the smoker up to 250 degrees. Let's see what effect that had on our buildup on our glass. I know that it's nice and hot, so it should be softer, but that might not be a good thing. Let's find out. Okay, so once again, super easy. I will not be wasting any pellets to warm it up again though. That was about the same. No real benefit to warming it up, about the same. I'm gonna say that my best advice is to just make sure that you've got a nice sharp razor blade, and that's gonna have more of a effect on it than just about anything else. Last steps, in my opinion, is just to take a Clorox wipe and wipe down off some of that residue that's left on it. That's that's if you're extremely picky about how you want it cleaned. But if you're just wanting to see your barbecue better, I mean, that's good enough. I wouldn't even worry with it too much. Just the heat might benefit this stage of the cleaning process a little bit, but I don't know that it was worth the 15 minutes and the pellets that I used to get it up to temp. We're at good as new there, buddy. We're at good as new there. I mean, y'all saw how much stuff I scraped off of there, and that's what was left. I've got some stuff on the floor that either I'll sweep up or Father Time will take care of. And of course, the river wind will have some sort of a hand in that. But you know, if I wanted to get it extremely clean, or if I was getting ready to sell my pit, you know, I could go in and do a little bit better job. But for anybody that's curious, that's all you need. We are doing quite well with that. So my opinion is that if you don't mind using a razor scraper, you're going to save yourself some money on cleaner, you're going to reduce the risk of getting chemicals onto your food, and you're going to have an overall better experience. So just go buy yourself like a $5 razor scraper, get you some extra blades, that way they're nice and sharp, and just clean it every once in a while, man, and that's it. So this is probably my last glass cleaning video that I'll ever do, because it doesn't get much easier or better than that. I didn't really have to do anything. I didn't have to run my pit. Let me know your favorite way of cleaning your glass. Guys, thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.